Today, we're making adobo with a twist. It's got potatoes and pork and beans. This recipe is a unique take on adobo, and we can't wait to share it with you. It starts off in the same way as any adobo. A little warm-up that can also serve as therapy as you smash the garlic cloves. Chop them roughly. Set aside. And then you can slice up your onions too. Now it's time to chop up the potatoes. They should be a little smaller than the pork chunks so that they don't take so long to soften. Don't forget to soak them in water. This prevents them from browning since they'll have to sit out for a while before we add them to the pot. Now, we already got our pork chunks cut, but here's a little tip. You can buy pork kasim or pigep for cheaper when you buy the whole thing, and then you can ask the butcher to cut it, or you can cut it yourself at home. If you like what you're seeing so far, like, share, and subscribe. Now we're ready to cook. Start off by heating your pot with a bit of oil and then saute the garlic and onions. Once they're beginning to brown and are super fragrant, you can now toss in the pork. Now is also the time to add in the soy sauce and vinegar. You want the pork to cook in this salty sour mixture to get its signature adobo taste. For the 2-inch cubed pork, it took us about 30 minutes to get it almost tender. If you're in a hurry, remember that the smaller the cuts, the faster it tenderizes. Timing is key because you'll want to add the potatoes when the pork is about halfway tender. Now comes the big twist. Add your favorite can of pork and beans. We used one 390-gram can of pork and beans for 1 kilo of pork, but of course, you can adjust this according to taste. Are you making this adobo with pork and beans too? Tell us how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more yummy recipes.